Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to store key value data to iCloud using NSUbiquitousKeyValueStore in native iOS application with Swift. So let's get started. I'm using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. The UI related code is very less any which ways. So all you need to do is, first you have created your application, you will have to go to sign in and capabilities. You will have to click on this plus capability button, and here first you will have to add iCloud. So I will quickly add iCloud. I will check this key value storage. Make sure proper team is selected, otherwise this might not work as expected. Then go to view controller, and just to make it clear that key value store cannot store data greater than 1 MB. I mean, I wouldn't even store 500 KBs of data. I would store less than that just to be on the safer side. So all you need to do is, inside your view controller, just initialize NSUbiquitousKeyValueStore. Then here you can see I have created two buttons, one for create and one for read, and I have added a click listener for both of our buttons. Then I have added button 1 and button 2 our view. So on first button click, I'm just setting this particular value, and this is the particular key, and then we just quickly call synchronize. And on second button click, we fetch the value using this particular key which we are using, and if we have the value we just print it to the console, otherwise we just say no data found. Okay, so I'm getting some error. Okay, yeah, I know, I just need to clean the build folder and run this again. Hopefully this works, because I had added that iCloud dependency first and I just removed it just for this tutorial sake. So let's just wait for this application to build. Okay, so here you can see, here is the application. So I'll just click on this create button. So nothing really happens when you click on create. Now I'll try to read it, and here you can see by coding with nobody. Now what I'll do is I'll quickly uninstall the application. Also, a good idea would be to check whether the user has already signed in into iCloud or not. I have already made a video on how to check that, so if you want you can check that video. I don't want to complicate this tutorial, that's why I have ignored that. Then here you can just click on read, and here you can see it has directly printed by coding with nobody. I didn't click on create. Now here I'll just write hello coding with nobody. I'll just rerun my application. I'll click on read, and then I'll click on create, then I'll try to read it, and hopefully it should work that way as well. So I'll just to show it to you, I'll click on create. Okay, then I'll try to read. So here is hello coding with nobody. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.